Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kalonda Casey. I am 64 years young and I am so happy you are here. This channel was created for the mature woman, anyone 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and beyond. And I am thrilled to have you here today. And our community is growing and it just warms my heart. And it's all because of you all. While you're watching the video, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know if you are new here so I can welcome you to the channel. And don't forget to hit the like button because the algorithm loves it when you all do all of those things. And that's how we are able to continue to grow. I am so happy to be partnering with Daily Look on today's video. It is a fashion video and it is exciting and new to me. And I hope that you all enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed filming the video for you all. What is Daily Look? It's a style box, and I'm so excited to share what came in this box with you all. And now I know you're sitting there saying, well, Kalonda, there are other style box companies. I know there are, but the difference between Daily Look and those other companies, number one, they have real stylists. Most of those other companies only send 5 styles. Daily Look sends 12. That's huge. That is a big range of clothes to be able to choose from, and I appreciate that. I thought it was really easy. I filled out the questionnaire and the quiz, the style quiz. It's all online. It was very easy to do. I inputted it, uploaded it, and then my stylist picked my clothes for me. And I'm going to be really honest here about my stylist. She had some hits and she had some misses. And so in the first round, I checked off 3 that I didn't like, and she replaced those with items that I liked. So that worked out really well. Now I know you're dying to see what the stylist sent me, so let's hop into that portion of the video. You guys, look what just arrived, my Daily Look box. I can't wait to unbox it with you. Let's dig in. It's wrapped so pretty. It has the tissue paper on it. And then, oh my gosh, let me see if I can show you. Look how pretty, the big blue bow. And then there is, it says enclosed your personal stylist note and return instructions. It's just a really nice personalized note from my stylist, who is Esperanza. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this ribbon is beautiful. It's so pretty. Look at this. It's a white eyelet blazer. Oh, it is so feminine. It's by the brand Skies Are Blue. So we'll see. We'll try that on in a little bit. Oh, and then a chambray moment. You know I love a good chambray blouse, and I don't have one in this style. So this is really cute, and you guys, it feels so good. The quality is lovely. And then, oh, this sweater. Oh my goodness, it feels so luxurious. I love this oatmeal color. This right in my wheelhouse for fall. I really like it. Oh, what a cute top. It's transitional. It can be worn in the summer, and then you could put a jean jacket over this in the fall. I really like it. It's very soft. You all know I love a black and cream moment or a black and white moment, and I love the pleating on the skirt. So feminine. Oh, this is just beautiful. I can't wait to try these on. I've never done anything like this before. Have you? And then these are jeans and called Flying Monkey. I've never tried these on. Hello. They've got my frayed hem. You know I love it. That's my thing. And they feel so stretchy. I hope they fit. Oh, they're so cute. And then one more pair of pants. They feel very silky. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. Let me get to steaming and we'll be back for the style show. The first outfit is right in my wheelhouse. The stylist got it right. You know I love jeans and I like distressed jeans. And so these jeans are by Flying Monkey, and for reference, I am wearing a 29 in these jeans. It's European sizing. The bottom has the frayed hem, which I love, and they are so comfortable. In fact, I have them on today. They just fit like a glove and they are stretchy enough. I can tell that the denim is high quality and I appreciate that so much, especially when they feel like they've already been worn. The top is so cute. The sleeves are a little too short, let's face it. You all know I hate my arms. I can't help it. It's just who I am, but I do really like the colors in the top. It is so pretty and such a great transition for fall. And you know I love any shade of green, and this has a ton of green in it. The top is by the brand Liverpool, and it has this cute tie here in the back, and I tried to show you in the video. I don't know what you would call the stitching on this. It's really nice. It definitely reminds me of a boutique top. It has just added stitching, added pieces of fabric. It's just really cute. And as I said, I love the color. And so outfit number one was a home run for me. I really do like it. So outfit number two is exactly what I am wearing. And I have to go to a meeting when I am finished here. And this is what I'm wearing to my meeting. And I think I look so put together. I have on the jeans. I just have on a shell that I had in my closet. And then this white eyelet blazer is so pretty and lightweight. I look professional, but I look casual too. And I love the fact that the sleeves can be pushed up. I'm really pleased with the blazer. I think it's lovely. The blazer brand is Skies Are Blue, and I really like it. And yes, it does remind me of something that I would find at a boutique or a high-end retail store. I really like it, and I think the stylist hit it out of the park. They gave me a little cheat sheet of how to style the outfits together, but I didn't use it. I just put my styles together the way I wanted to. And so I decided to pair it with the blue jeans, and I really like it. Okay, let's move on to outfit number three. The pants, we're gonna be really honest here. The pants are a huge fail. They are way too long for me. I thought the color was a little blah, and the length of the pants just too long. I am wearing a medium. I just feel like the pants were ill-fitting from the get-go. They just seemed a little short-waisted. The brand is called Be Cool. And so they're a no for me, but that's okay, because remember, you are going to have 12 items in your box. Not everything is going to fit perfect, and we're not going to always love everything, but there's a good possibility that you are going to love a lot of things in the box. Let's move on to the top. Okay, I love chambray. I love the fabric of this shirt. I think it's more tencel than chambray. Have it right here. It is so comfortable, you guys. Oh, it's 100% lyocell. So I do believe that that's tencel. I really like the shirt. I like the style of the shirt, even showing my arms. But for me, I think a large would be a little bit better. But nonetheless, I really like it. I liked taking the shirt and tying it because that's just my thing. Because of my weight loss, I am trying not to wear baggy or long flowy tops. I'm trying to wear things that are a little bit more fitted. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense to you. And so I really like the quality of this top. It's very, very nice. It was super easy to iron, and I just really love it. And so what if the pants were a mess? We're going to move on. Okay, you all know I love a good black and white moment, a cream and black moment. And you know I love skirts because I am short-waisted. First of all, what I love about this skirt is it's the right length. It just hits me in a perfect spot which I really like. I love the pleated design of the skirt, and I really like the design in the skirt. I just think it's unique and something that I do not have in my closet. And you could dress this up, you could dress it down. To me, wearing it with a denim jacket and a pair of sandal heel wedges be so cute for the summer. It is a really nice skirt. The back of it is elastic, which I like, so it gives you a little bit of extra breathing room. The material is lovely. I thought it was silk, but it's not silk. It's 100% polyester. But gosh, you could have fooled me because it really feels like silk. And I just really like the skirt. I think it's perfect, and I will get a lot of wear out of it in the summer months and definitely into the fall up until the winter months because it is so incredibly nice. Now let's talk about the little sweater top. Oh, I really like it, and I thought it was cashmere. Yes, I really did. It felt like a very lightweight cashmere, but it is not. It does feel very luxe, and I like it. It's by a brand called Maddie M. I have never heard of most of these brands. I was excited to see things that are different. I like the arm coverage of this sweater. I like that I can wear the sweater now and going into the fall season. This is what this box is about. It's getting us ready for fall, the transitional pieces that we're going to need. These pieces will be great layering pieces. They will be great in my wardrobe. We have come to the end of the style show, and I need to talk to you about a couple of items that I am returning. First of all, I am returning this top. I like the quality of the material. I think it's really nice. I like the boutique stitching here, but I am returning it. And I am returning these pants, and I'm not sad about it at all because they just aren't for me. And then I can replace them with something else that I really like. Those are the only two items I am sending back. Returns are very simple. There's an informational sheet here and a note from your stylist. You have 5 days to decide what to purchase. You'll check out at dailylook.com and you let them know what you are keeping or returning. And then the other thing you can do is you can scan the QR code to check out for easier checkout. And then use the prepaid return label to return items you do not want. And they provide you with a very sizable bag to return your items. So it's very easy to do. I loved the whole process. I loved how easy it was to get started. I liked how easy it was to work with my stylist. The box came, it was so beautifully wrapped. The whole experience has been lovely. And so now to return these items is going to be very simple. So before we leave, make sure you check out the Show More section or the first comment so that you can get all the information to start with Daily Look. I know how much I enjoyed it, and I think you will enjoy it too. And before we leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let me know if you are new here so that I can welcome you. And I will see you the next time. Bye.